Black travel. It's what happens when you have a destination. And trust you'll have safe haven once you arrive. Provided by someone who's opened their door with the sole purpose of making you feel cared for. As long as we've been in existence, we've looked out for each other. Gathered around meals, passed on stories, formed our own cultures. We've shown up when called upon, rallied for freedom, and together wrote our own collective history. Black history. One that spans zip codes, countries, and entire continents. And is as resilient as it is eternal. None of us would be here without it, which is exactly why it's worth celebrating.
I said, water no get enemy. Oh, me you love.